Today I'm going to tell you a little bit about a software program called Slack. It's for team collaboration. I actually came into this program. I'm taking a digital communications class at WT, and it's for virtual team meetings, and it helps do things with your team, and it helps organize team member tasks and can help assign, and it also involves different applications that you can use to help do a project with a team. So Slack, here we go. About Slack, it's a cloud-based product that helps with team collaboration. It has tools and services for virtual team communication and projects. It is very user-friendly application. It allows you to download it not only on mobile devices, but tablets, desktops, and other devices as well. You can assign tasks within your groups, and it also has additional applications that can be added. There's several applications, but some of the ones I would like to go over today are To-Do, which helps you design specific tasks for certain team members that are involved in your project. You can also use Google Documents within Slack, as well as share and edit presentations. Kyber is also another application that's used with Slack, as well as BlueJeans, which is a video chat application. It helps. You can do many things on the application, and it's a video conferencing for meetings, and it's a face-to-face thing pretty much. And it's added to the platform as well. Additional Slack features that are involved are it allows you to access different channels, so you can also work on numerous projects at one time. And it allows you to be a part of different teams all at the same time, and they're all individually categorized. Slack is a free downloadable application that can be accessed through most computers, just like I said previously, tablets, mobile devices, desktop, things like that. The numerous features that are included on Slack are shareable devices, simplified communication. It also helps members from feel connected to one another as well as remote teams. Slack features a searchable archive and search to help you find important dates, deadlines around things that are pertain to your project. It helps keep your team coordinated and working faster and smoother and more productivity. Okay, so getting familiar with Slack. These are some screenshots I took of the actual Slack that I'm working on now through my digital communications class. This is just shows you a little bit about how Slack works. This is a project I'm working on now, and it shows you all the people that are involved, as well as the different channels, and you can also access Slackbot or BlueJeans or Google Documents in this. So that helps show the layout kind of Slack. Here's another example of the layout of Slack. Kyber is also shown here. It's a great app that you can add, and it actually puts things on a calendar that shows you when your important deadlines are, or when your meeting times are, or if people have messaged you. Slack is also great for notifications, especially on a mobile device. You can use the notifications on the mobile device, and it alerts you when anybody adds apps, when they contact you, when meetings are set, so that you're always in the know with your team. Using additional applications, here again is the Kyber. And also Kyber, you can just hashtag Kyber and you can send weekly reports, you can do invoices. There's so many different things that you can do through the Kyber. You can further discuss stuff in meetings, add emoji reactions, organize meetings, things like that. So this is the user profile of adding the Slack. This is actually my profile. You can add different channels over here to the left. It shows you I'm on general, and then I have a project team 10. You can add as many projects, channels as you would like, and you can also do direct messages through Slack, Kyber, any of the other apps that you have downloaded. So, in conclusion, using the Slack, it's a very great business tool. It helps simple messaging to update team members on progress through company tasks. It also helps all sides of business in order to either interject or ask questions for individuals to plan or work around what is being done. And I think it's a really great and useful tool for businesses, organizations to help, especially remote virtual meetings, to help to help do your project and get it completed in a timely manner.